Please be advised this podcast features AI cloned voices created with human oversight. All content is reviewed by experts for accuracy and relevance. Welcome to the IADS Retail Park, where retail giants evolve or go extinct. I'm Maya, and if you're returning, welcome back. If you're new here, we're thrilled to have you join us as we explore the cutting edge of retail innovation. Before we begin, an important note: today's discussion draws from research and an exclusive visit conducted in 2021. While the core principles and big picture insights remain highly relevant, some specific details may have evolved since then. Today, we're taking you deep inside one of the boldest experiments in sustainable retail. With me is Sylvain, who visited Green Pea, the world's first self-declared 100% sustainable department store, born in Turin, Italy. Sylvain, welcome.
Thank you, Maya. Great to be here. I'm genuinely excited to unpack the takeaways from Green Pea, which isn't just a store but an original attempt to make sustainability the foundation of profitable retail. It's a fascinating case for anyone wondering how far and how fast our sector can move on the green front.
Set the stage for us, Sylvain. What makes Green Pea so different from the typical green section or eco initiative we see in department stores?
Sure, let's get started. Green Pea isn't just about adding a few sustainable products on a shelf. The entire business model, from building to assortment, is founded on a 10-point self-imposed sustainability manifesto. We're talking everything: energy, materials, transparency, even how staff are trained. The Farinetti family, who brought us Italy, wanted to go further, not just promote Italian food, but champion a new way to consume and live, setting sustainability as non-negotiable.
That's a genuinely holistic approach. Even the building itself is designed to be dismantled and reused with recycled materials and near zero energy impact. Solar, wind, piezoelectric floors, every detail down to the water recycling is engineered for minimal environmental footprint.
Precisely, Maya. And they aren't just selling fashion or cosmetics. Green Pea covers energy, eco-friendly transport, home, design, food, and more. They included a ground floor museum to educate visitors about sustainability, making it clear this is about changing culture, not just shopping habits.
Let's talk about the customer experience. What's it actually like to walk through Green Pea?
Honestly, it's unlike any department store I've ever visited. You start in a museum, not a luxury atrium, learning about recycled materials and energy-saving systems. Then you move through 5 floors, each dedicated to a lifestyle domain. There's green banking, electric vehicles, recycled furniture, certified fashion, bespoke cosmetics. Even the eateries are part of the Italy partnership, from trendy snacks to Michelin-starred dining.
That's an interesting concept, and it supports Green Pea's message: sustainable options aren't meant to be a privileged, costly extra. They should be accessible, clear, and appealing.
Exactly, Maya. And this is made tangible in several ways. They show clear price breakdowns, often matching non-sustainable alternatives, and always explain what goes into the costs. They even created a paid loyalty club, giving members exclusive access and, just as important, a sense of belonging to a sustainability insider group.
What about the product curation? Is this just a green version of the standard department store, or does the model go deeper?
It definitely goes deeper. Every brand and partner must meet Green Pea's stringent sustainability criteria. That includes major names like Timberland and Patagonia, as well as numerous local Italian specialists. Green Pea even launched its own private label, Green Pea Casa, with fully sustainable kitchens at competitive prices, showing that green can scale.
I find that approach inspiring, especially the focus on supplier transparency. Even the staff are paid by brands but trained by Green Pea, ensuring everyone is on the same page with the sustainability message.
Right, and this is coupled with regular educational efforts to make sure associates can lead knowledgeable conversations, not just sell products. It's an investment in customer engagement and trust.
No experiment is without its hurdles. What are the main challenges Green Pea faces?
That's the million-euro question. First, it's an open issue whether customers will return again and again for a shopping experience so rooted in education and sustainability. The museum-first approach is bold, but not everyone wants a lesson every time they shop. Then there's scalability. Turin is not Milan or Paris. How easily can this exact model be exported? And what happens if top luxury brands don't meet Greenpeace criteria? You lose the prestige, but you gain credibility?
That makes perfect sense. And the business model itself is still being tested. It launched mid pandemic in a small market with KPIs yet to prove true profitability.
For sure. The CEO says sustainability is a baseline, not a cost or a premium, but the sustainability for all approach may limit the product mix and challenge margins. Plus, there's the question of freshness. Can green pea remain more than a novelty?
So, what are the most relevant lessons for other department stores or retail leaders tuning in?
First, sustainability can and should be embedded at every layer of the business, not just as a marketing afterthought. GreenPea is a living laboratory for this, from its architecture to its product sourcing, staff training, and customer education. Second, transparency is king, showing customers not just how, but why a product is sustainable builds trust and loyalty. Third, the physical retail space can be leveraged to educate and shift culture, not just to display merchandise.
Those are some powerful takeaways. Even if Greenpea's model isn't widely replicable yet, its ambition and execution give every retailer a new benchmark to aim for. Sylvan, your firsthand insights from Greenpea have been truly eye opening. I'm impressed by how you've woven together the operational, architectural, and cultural strands of this pioneering concept.
Thank you, Maya. It's been a pleasure. Green pea may not be the answer for everyone, but it's certainly setting a bold new standard for what sustainable retail can look like.
That's a wrap for today's episode of the IADS Retail Park. Remember, innovation in retail is about more than products, it's about values, education, and the courage to rewrite the rules. If you found today's episode inspiring, follow us on LinkedIn, subscribe for more, and visit our Substack for deeper dives into the future of department stores.
Thanks for joining us. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep building for a more sustainable future.